In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add FAQ to Strikingly website. By the end, you'll have a clean, easy to read FAQ section that helps visitors find answers fast and reduces repetitive messages in your inbox. Start by heading to strikingly.com and logging into your account. From your dashboard, open the site you want to update and click Edit. This takes you into the visual editor where you can make changes in real time and immediately see how your page will look to visitors. Next, add a dedicated space for your FAQs. Click Add section, then choose either text or big text. Text gives you a flexible paragraph style area, great for multiple question and answer pairs. Big text gives you a large headline style block, useful if you want a bold frequently asked questions heading with a short list beneath it. Pick the one that fits the prominence you want for your FAQs. Once added, you'll see a text area ready for your content. Now let's write the FAQ content using a simple, clear format. Type a question line that begins with Q, followed by the question itself. On the next line, add A, followed by the answer. For example, you can start with Q, what services do you offer? A, we offer virtual assistants, admin support, and social media management. Then add another, how can I contact you? A, so you can contact us via email or the contact form. Keep each question on its own line and each answer on the line below it. Leave a blank line between pairs to improve readability. A helpful touch is to make your questions bold so they stand out at a glance, while keeping answers in regular text. This visual contrast guides the eye and makes scanning much easier. As you write, aim for concise, friendly answers. If a response feels long, break it into 2 short sentences. Use consistent phrasing across questions and stick with the Q and A prefixes so visitors instantly understand the pattern. If you're listing multiple items in an answer, keep them in a simple sentence to maintain the clean look of a text section. When you're done, read everything aloud once to check flow, tone, and clarity. Adjust wording to match your brand voice, professional, casual, or somewhere in between, while keeping the structure the same. That's it. Log in and edit your site, add a text or big text section, type your Q&A pairs, and bold the questions for clarity. You now have a polished FAQ section that answers common questions and improves your visitors' experience.